watching Life is Good. Come on now.
Alright, well, we are getting ready to climb Mount Eagle with a 78,000 pound load. And it's going to pull it down quite a bit, probably. But we'll see. If it does, we got a friend behind us. Little Hollywood out of Florida. I haven't seen him in quite a few years, man. So I just happened to blow by him on the interstate, and he called me and said, "Hey!" So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna stop up here and meet up here at the top of the hill, and so yeah, you gonna block me in, Hollywood? It's not cool, dude. Hey, slow down. I guess he's gonna video the truck. So he's gonna cost me right here. I'm going to drop a gear. I hope he took a video of this big cell phone and sent it to me. Anyway, check him out in his big dually in his camper on his way to Nationals. I think it's Defender. He's in a motorcycle club. There you go, Hollywood. You're on YouTube, sir. We'll get up here and see him and see if we can't put his pet squirrel on YouTube. We'll show you guys his pet squirrel. So anyway, it's not too bad. We're doing about 50 miles an hour right there. We're holding up traffic, but we lost a little bit of speed there. Hollywood slowed down to look at the truck, and just waited to back out of her tab. We'll get her built back up. But when we're doing 50, we're not like killing them people. They'll be all right. They'll get over it. I could have put her back in the big hole, see what she's gonna do, but not fall on his face. Let's try it, because that's about 1,600 RPM right there. I know you some winding her up that hard. Big purple Peterbilt. So yeah, we put her back in the big hole, and she's still maintaining 50, and that pulled her back down to 12. So we're good. I think that's her max torque right there. Yeah, we didn't like it. Put her back in it. Gotta start getting a little bit of that drive line vibration. It was pulling too hard. It was down there about 1150. It just doesn't like it. So we put her on up here about 1,400. So there you go. We're going to maintain 50 all the way to Mount Eagle at 78,000, which is normal for 15 liters. So nothing to write home about. It'd be all right. You non-trucking friends, these guys that are passing me are loaded light, or they are empty. This X15, she does a pretty good job. I'm fairly impressed with it. Anyway, so far we still dodged the rain. Looks like it's going to rain in a moment, but we still dodged it. All right, there you go. See you down the other side. Say hello, Rocky. Oh yeah, spoiled. He's fat.
He needs a grape. He hasn't eaten in a while.
A grape?
Yeah, he eats grapes. You got the keys?
So it's a frozen grape?
Yeah. Well, I usually don't do that, but the refrigerator was already closed.
There you go.
So how many grapes does he get?
A couple. I give him one in the morning and one in the evening, usually with nuts, pecans, and stuff. We don't want your grape.
Yep. So I like the new camper. Well, it's not new yet. It's a couple of years, right?
The 17th, this is 3 years old.
Wow, it's been 3 years already.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, he just waxed it by hand like I did my stinking trailer. Holy cow.
You do the trailer?
Oh, it kicked my butt. Yeah, it kicked my butt. Here, we'll turn this off. So we got Big Hollywood shooting us some rolling footage there. So hopefully he'll send that to me and we'll get that all worked out. So ladies and gentlemen, there goes the famous Hollywood. Awesome friend. Anyway, Hollywood, when you're watching this, man, it was nice to meet up with you, sir. I appreciate the lunch. We had ourselves a little picnic there and rest area in his big old fine camper there. So anyway, we're just going to do our legal 45 miles per hour speed limit down Mont Eagle. And then Hollywood and I will reconvene at the fuel stop. And I should have gave him a GoPro, you know. Shoot some rolling footage of this beast. Well, come around you, Hollywood. Well, it's a hot day. It's not so much as hot as it is humid. Crazy. See Hollywood over getting some rolling footage. That's a pretty cool friend right there, isn't it? That's what I'm talking about. So thank you, Hollywood, for your professional photography skills at work. Well, did you guys notice he had it in portrait mode and not landscape mode? So, Hollywood, next time turn the phone over. Yes, sir.
Stalking the office with Skittles. I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.